Okay, so the first thing you need to do to make your DIY large letters is decide on the font and the letters you need. I'd recommend going for bold, sharp letters because it's just so much easier. So I decided to do mine and my husband's initials, so it's an S and an N. So what you do is you just save it on an A3 template, or you could do A1. It really depends on how big your TV is. And then I just saved it as a PDF, and then I have Apple TV, so what I did was I then beamed it to my television. You can see here. So you just adjust it to the size you require it, or to the size your TV can take. So mine's a 32 inch. And then you just trace it, and then you cut it out, and then right, so what you want to do next is tape it down to your cardboard, and then check everything is equal. So you can see here that should be a round edge, so I'm just going to measure the depth and then mark it on, and then just round it off. So you just want to check that the bottom part and this part line up so that you have a straight edge so that it can stand on its own. So once you have your desired depth, what you want to do is trace it all the way around onto the cardboard, which is what I'm doing here now. So I find it easier to use a metal knife to do the sharp edges. Okay, so once you've got your two letters, you need to decide on the depth you want it to be. So basically how thick you want your letters to be. So I decided to go for 10 centimeters. So what you need to do is, right, so you need a card, and you need to look for congregated card like this. This allows you to kind of roll the card up, which then would allow you to stick it on here. So basically it easily carves like that. So I'll show you what I mean. So you want to make sure that it is the congregated side weight. You want to measure 10 centimeters. The image you want to go all the way around here. So what you do is you get your card and just roll it up. Just roll itself because of the congregatedness. easier to go around your symbol like that. I'm so clumsy. I used a glue gun last night and I burnt myself about a million times, so I just find it easier to do this bit with tape, but I'd recommend that you use masking tape because I'm not sure how this would be for when I'm paper mashing on top. Okay, so now that you've got the letter done, you just want to glue the top on. So it should just slide on. So what I'm going to use is my hot glue gun. All the way around. So once you've done all your letters, they should, if you've measured everything right, they should stand alone. So these are all my letters standing alone. As you can see with the S, I obviously never measured it right, so it was shorter than the N and the AND symbol. So I just slotted in some cards and then put another piece of card on top so it's level, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paper mache them. So I've just let them dry against the radiator and put them down on some cardboard. Once they had dried, I then went ahead and painted them, and then as per my sister's suggestion, we then wrapped the letters around with ribbon, and then we finished off with some flowers.